Are your kids bored and have nothing to do? Well, worry no more. Introducing the LifeSize Remote Control car. I mean, just look at the size compared to these kids. Wow, it's fatter than our dad. Hey, you kids, I am your entertainer. Just push that button on the remote, then I can go flying. Alright, hijinks. Alright, you'll steer, I'll drive. Alright, let's do this. Okay, whoa. Watch out. Okay. A little hard to drive, watch out. Okay. No, don't run into this. Okay. Alright, we're fine, never mind. Watch out. Okay. Relax. Oh no, watch out. Okay. You're fine, we're fine. Relax. Okay. Oh no. Okay, we're fine. Don't panic. Okay. Just steer it that way. Okay. It's working. We're doing this. Okay. Watch out. Okay. Whoa. It's going out of control. Done. Warning. The following product you just saw is illegal and is not a real product. Any product that would be that size and remote control by kids would be illegal. Please do not try this at home. I am not a professional spokesperson.